Hey guys, it's Joe Burgess. Welcome back to the channel. It's Thursday afternoon at a local Harbor Freight, and just going to show you guys what I ended up finding in there. It's pretty interesting, and I don't know if anybody else has seen it, but I actually thought I'd share it with you and go from there. So I don't know, it might be a surprise to you guys, but it's a first for me. So I just want to show you guys. We're here at Brockton, Massachusetts. Got the Westgate Mall, and like I said, it's my local Harbor Freight, and I just wanted to share with you guys a quick video today. So let me jump in here and show you what I found. All right, guys, jump in the car here. I just came out of Harbor Freight, and this is what I ended up finding. It looks like Pittsburgh is making these. I've never seen these before. It's an assortment of push pins, plastic fastener kit, 240 piece assortment. And for all you guys know, when you take splash shields off, things like that, service shields, you end up either breaking or losing them half the time. So a lot of times that's the case. So this kit here, I guess, covers Ford, Chrysler, Toyota, Honda, and more. So you get a wide variety of different kinds. Like you get the Christmas trees. It looks like you got the kind that click down, push down, things like that. The mini Christmas trees. There's 12 sizes, and I guess each compartment holds or houses 20 pieces each, which is pretty generous. This goes for about 13 bucks. Like I said, just discovered it yesterday. Picked up another one because a lot of times I'm using these a lot. And if they're missing, or like I said, they break or get lost, this is a nice little kit to help you out. So that's actually what I want to share with you guys and throw in a video today. So a lot of times going there, I find sometimes a new item, and this is a pretty nice surprise. It looks like Harbor Freight's actually going through a little change here. I don't know what the actual change is, but they're moving stuff around. I didn't get permission today to film in here. I'm not familiar with this one local to me, but there's one a few miles from me that actually let you film. But I don't have that kind of time today, so like I said, I don't know what kind of changes are being made, but some sort of changes are going on. So stuff's being moved around, possibly for new items. But let's hope so, because keeps everything interesting. So it keeps us busy. So all right, guys. I thought I'd share this one with you, and hopefully you guys find this pretty interesting and helpful as well. So as always, please subscribe to my channel if you can, if you not already have. I always appreciate new subscribers. I got new content coming up, and hopefully it's pretty soon. So please like and share if you can. And I'd like to just say God bless, and I hope you guys all have a great day. Thanks a lot.